Yeah, we have Basil Camus with us from Leaf and Limb, who has been so gracious in sponsoring our Gardening in the South programs from near the beginning. So thanks for joining us, Basil. We really appreciate all that your company is doing for the environment and for supporting the J.C. Ralston Arboretum.
Thank you. I'm really excited to be here. I'm not going to take much time at all. I just want to say I love this event. I'm really excited that everybody's here. Thanks to all of those who are presenting today. And I know that's a lot of work to prepare for this. Thanks for everybody who had to do all this work to create this event. I don't want to pitch Leaf and Limb too much. We are a tree care company. We care for trees because we love our planet. We do things like pruning, soil remediation. A lot of the things you're learning today, these are some of the core services that we offer. Instead, I'd like to talk more about J.C. Ralston. I love this organization, y'all. I first visited the Arboretum about 10 years ago, and just as an individual, spent a lot of time out there learning about plants and also just hanging out. Beautiful sunsets. If you go to the Loblolly Grove towards the back of the Arboretum and you watch the sunset over that field, it's just absolutely beautiful. Great organization. The more I learned about them, the more I wanted to get involved. So we, as a company, Leaf and Limb, have been sponsoring the Arboretum for a number of years because we love the work they do. We love how they bring people to plants and vice versa. It's just a great organization. And I'm actually a board member now because I believe so strongly in what they're doing. So I'm actively trying to help build this great organization. If you're new to J.C. Ralston, there's all kinds of great summer classes for kids and adults. Lots of opportunities to learn. It's a great organization. For a minimal amount of money, you can get involved. It's sort of a, you go to the Arboretum and you think, oh, the city probably pays for this or somebody's paying for this. But the truth is really a lot of the revenue is driven by donors, individuals and families who sign up. For about $75 a year, you can sign up, help this great organization, and enjoy all sorts of great benefits. So I'm very proud to be here, very proud to sponsor this event, and I thank you all for joining today.